Good morning, students. Today we will perform action words. Are you ready to perform action words?
Yes!
Okay. Eat. Good. Now drink. Drink. Okay. Now sleep. Okay. Now run. Run. Okay, stop. Okay, laugh. Sit. Stand. Okay. Now jump. Okay. Sneeze. Good. Thank you.